Hey, welcome to my channel. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Thanks. What's going on? Today's video, we are concealing the gold hairs. As you can see, this is before I wrapped it and after I wrapped it. So, moving along. As you can see, each lock is made over top of the gold hair. So I had to wick the hair first, like little miniature wicks. After I sectioned it, and then I proceeded to add the hair to it. So each lock is handmade by a 0.75 tool and a 0.5 tool. I use both of them. This clip right here is to show how flowy it is. As I lift it up, as you can see, it's not stiff. They are all still soft. Her whole head is not done. It is just the top section of it, and yeah, she has a undercut. That's what I was trying to say. So yeah, she has a undercut. So this is the finished look. You've seen the before and the after, and I'll see you later.